Change. What does that even mean anymore? Is it a noun or a verb? Is it something that we want, or rather something we despise? Is change something that we make, or is it something that we inherently produce? What happens when we refuse change or even hold on to prior situational environments that the world around us refuses to let us detach from? I haven't made a video in weeks. Why? I don't know. Change, I guess. Remember when we thought 2020 was going to be such the change we needed from 2019? Joke's on us, right? A newfound media platform, a new beginning, a newfound start to what could have been the greatest yet. I tend to look at my life like a movie. Who am I? What is my motive? My objection? My purpose? Who am I to help? Who am I to love? Who am I to be? A global pandemic, unrest in a country so blinded by partisanship and fake news to even acknowledge human rights in existence. Getting sick, out of work for nearly 7 months, savings completely gone, new friends, a new job, mental hiccups. That's a lot of change. I grip onto the things that I miss. People, parties, clubs, romanticizing the times where I felt on the brink of financial, social, and career-oriented change. Now, I acknowledge the change, completely different than I had in mind. Change now is about survival, about compassion, and about empathy. Change is something that I can define in so many ways, yet still can't put it into words. All I know is change is necessary. I make this video as creatively transparent as I can be. I need to change my thinking, my hopes, and my dreams while still honoring my morals and my goals. When I look back on my life, I want to say I made a difference, that I made a change.